Hey guys, welcome back to my video. And today I got an interesting video for y'all. But before I get into it, comment, like, and subscribe to this channel. So today I will be giving y'all a cooking video. So I will be making lamb shoulder blade chops with rice and veggies. Now, before I get into the video, comment down below, where do you get your meat from? Where do you get your meat from? Are you really particular where you get your meat, or does it matter? Like, let me know. Comment down below. So what I got here is potatoes, onions. I can just say like a half a thing of onions. Carrots, peas, beef broth, and garlic. You can get garlic is the best in food, especially onions. Comment down below if you love onions, because I love me some onions. Especially sauteed. Okay, let me stop. So I showed you guys what I had prepped already. So now it's time to season the meat. Now what I use is parsley. I always use parsley. I don't know, it gives it that good flavor. Parsley, adobo, let's see. I also do sage. I use sage in like baked chicken and sometimes steak if I'm baking it. But I am baking this lamb. Let's see. Oregano. I also use this in baked chicken too. It just gives that good flavor. Like, I don't know, I just love it. Now, thyme. I'm not going to use the ground one. I'm going to use the leaves, if you can see. Not too much of the thyme. Now, since I already poured adobo, I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Now, when I tell myself a little bit of salt, I always put it in my hand and just sprinkle it around, because I know how my hands could be. And then, can't forget your pepper. Can't forget pepper. You need that pepper flavor. You need it. Then I'm going to show you the aftermath. So this is the aftermath of me seasoning the food. So always preheat your oven. I got mine preheated to 375. It's been on for maybe like 10-15 minutes. So when you put the food in, it's just easily cooked right away. So I'm about to put the food on the stove, and I'm going to let the lamb cook for a little bit on the stove. And to do that, I am going to put in some olive oil. You're going to let the olive oil get real hot, so when you put the lamb in the pan, you can hear a sizzle. So we're going to put it in the pan. And we're going to leave it in the pan until it gets brown on both sides. Now it's brown on one side. Now we gotta check to see if it's brown on the other. So when it's brown on the other side, we're gonna take them out and put them aside so we can get the garlic and onions sauteed. So I removed the meat onto a plate. Then I cut the juice and just put the onions and the garlic in the pan and just saute it. Saute it for like 3 minutes. So once that's been sauteed, we're going to take the meat and put it in a baking dish. And then we're going to put the potatoes in it. Then your onions and your garlic. And then your carrots. Now you can cut the carrots up if you want. You don't have to. I think I'm gonna cut some of them. Make sure as well, make sure it's all in there. Then you want to add your chicken broth. I mean your beef broth. I'm gonna add this sauce. Not a lot, but just a little bit. Just want to make sure it's evenly coated. Now you want to put this in the oven for 3 hours. So I'm going to set the timer and then I'll show you what this looks like when it's done. So that's all for the video, guys. Yeah, the lamb with the potatoes and carrots. If you have any questions, comment down below. If you want me to do any other cooking videos, any prank videos, any challenges, comment down below.